Welcome back everyone to C-Word Reading. I wanted to take a moment and just talk a little bit about syncing data from the student app to the teacher's app. The first thing I would like to say is that after you finish a session with students, before you close out of the student app, you need to sync that data to the student and to the teacher's app if you wish to retain it. If you quit out of the app before you have sunk the data, the information that the student has just done will be lost. After you have sunk the data, I want to talk a little bit about reading out the data and what did it record. In order to do that, I am going to click on the Teacher's app. I'm inside the Teacher's app, and down at the bottom you see that there are three functions of the Teacher's app again. There is classroom management, there are reports, and there are lessons where you can make the customized lessons. We're going to click on reports here. Looking at this, you can see the outcomes. It's just an example of student outcomes for level 1. When you see the pencil icon at the top, well, at the top it shows the different questions 1 through 3. Then you'll see a pencil icon that lets you know from level 1 what sound the child was working with. The second column that has the timer shows you how long it took the child to trace the letter form, and it's reporting that out in seconds. The third column with the finger, it is telling you how many attempts it took the child to properly match the letter that they saw on the screen to the letter that they selected on the keyboard. The second level is recording what word did the student build from the word family that was selected. You'll notice in the pencil column it shows you a word, then a slash, and it'll show you what the word family was that was the target for the student. The second column will tell you how many attempts it took the student to build that word. Sometimes when you have selected phonemes for the bottom of or the different sounds for the bottom of level 2, some teachers will choose that some of those letters down there will not build a word. If the letters do not build a word, it won't stick. It'll bounce back down to the bottom, and that just will be an attempt that the student made in trying to build a word. So this is what level 2 records. Level 3 records what word did the student spell, and you can see the spelling of that word there. Level 4 functions just a little bit differently. You need to click on the area where it says Great Big Bat, and you need to go ahead and choose which one of the stories they were working on. So I'll just choose this story here. We have some sample data. Here you can see what is the sounds, what are the 3 different sounds that the student was asked to find in the story. In Mix a Pancake, they were asked to find the p, the ah, and the n sound. Inside the p sound, the star tells you how many stars the students found out of whatever many stars there was for them to find. The second column with the timer shows how long it took them to find all of the stars. An additional feature that is in this Teacher's app, you should be able to sort by different start dates or just see student results based off of the past weeks, the past 3 months, and you can select that by hitting all at the top and select what you want to see. You can also choose to filter by different types of students, so I don't have that many students actually enrolled here, so you can type in others and you should be able to filter and search by different students if you wish. So that's all for now on the different report outs